So imagine this. You wake up one day, sit at your desk, and with just a few clicks, an AI builds a fully interactive 3D website for you. No coding, no expensive software, just pure AI magic. Sounds unreal, right? But what if I told you it's 100% possible and it's free? But before we dive in, welcome to Hasnan Tech Automation. This is a place where we explore the latest tech, AI tools, and automation tricks that can change the way you work. If you're serious about leveraging AI, hit that subscribe button, because trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Today, I'm diving into the world of AI-powered 3D website builders, where artificial intelligence is redefining how websites are created. No more boring templates. No more drag and drop. Just describe your vision, and the AI brings it to life in real time. But wait, is it really that good? Can AI actually replace developers? Or is it just another overhyped tech tool? Well, I decided to put it to the test. I'll show you how this AI 3D website builder works. Build a site from scratch in minutes, and then put it through a crazy challenge. Let's see if this AI can actually create something that looks professional, functional, and most importantly, mind-blowing. All right, so first, let's check out the tool. The one I'm using is completely free, and it claims to build full 3D interactive websites without requiring any coding. First, let's start by giving a simple prompt. Create a futuristic 3D portfolio website with smooth animations and an interactive UI. Now watch this. Within seconds, the AI is generating everything: the layout, the design, and even animations. Look at this. The background is dynamic. The buttons have realistic shadows, and the transitions are smooth. This is next level web design. But let's push it further. What if I asked the AI to integrate a 3D model of a rotating car? Will it actually do it? And boom, it did it. The AI just placed a fully interactive 3D model, and users can actually rotate it in real time. Okay, but what about mobile responsiveness? Can this AI handle real-world usability? Let's resize the screen, and wow, the AI automatically adjusts everything: the text, the images, even the 3D elements shrink to fit perfectly. This is seriously impressive. Now, the big question: can this AI 3D builder actually replace human web designers? Well, not yet, but it's getting scary close. Right now, it's amazing for quick prototypes, portfolio sites, and interactive experiences. However, for highly customized projects, human expertise is still needed. But here's the thing, this is just the beginning. AI is evolving fast, and in a few years, who knows? So, should you try it? Absolutely. It's free, it's fun, and it might just change the way websites are built forever. But now I want to hear from you. Do you think AI will take over web development? Or will humans always be needed? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's start a discussion. And if you want more mind-blowing AI tools, make sure to subscribe, because trust me, this is just the beginning.